Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you so much everyone for entering my class. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, before we start the class, could you please Silvan, let's start praying first. Kita doa dulu. Silvan?
Istiadat. Doaan.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes,
Salaman.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah sudah berdoa. Okay, next step I would like to call the roll. I would like to know who is absent or present at today. I will call, raise your hand ya, silakan angkat tangannya. Agil Niswa. Agil Niswa.
Hadir.
Okay, Ahmad Riansyah.
Hadir.
Akbar Alfa.
Hadir.
Alivia Saria.
Hadir.
Ayumi Tresna Laksmi. Ayumi, are you there?
Sakit.
Oh, oke, sakit. Ayumi, semoga cepat sembuh ya. Azam Al-Ghifari.
Hadir.
Okay, thank you so much. Saya rasa all present today, semuanya hadir untuk hari ini, teman-teman. Thank you, alhamdulillah. Kecuali Ayumi sakit. Okay, I would like to ask about the Google Classroom material. Teman-teman sudah dicek Google Classroom-nya?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, alhamdulillah. Thank you. Yang lainnya sudah?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, alhamdulillah. Oke, now untuk di Google Classroom-nya kalau sudah dilihat videonya, saya mau tampilkan presentasi untuk kali ini ya. Ya, kita akan diskusi. We are going to discuss about the video that I've sent you by using Google Classroom. Akbar, could you please help me to share the screen?
Yes.
Suara Ibu jelas? Halo?
Jelas, Miss.
Jelas, Miss.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. Okay, because we already watched the video, kita sudah nonton videonya, ya. I believe you guys do so. Please next slide, Akbar. Into the third slide, slide yang ketiga saja. Okay, first question, teman-teman. Let me know, ya. Let me know what you see or observe from the video. Ya, let's have discuss it. Okay, so, you may do as perwakilan dari kelompoknya, silahkan, atau semua anggota kelompok mau untuk memberikan opinionnya atau argumennya, boleh, silakan. Silakan tuliskan di chat boxnya, what do you see or observe from the video? Okay, who would like to write it down? Silakan di chat boxnya.
Di mana, Miss? Di chat?
Di chat, yes. Atau ada yang mau ngomong langsung, boleh. Ahmad, do you want to speak directly? Mau ngomong langsung, boleh. What do you see from the video?
Di chat aja, Miss. Diskusi dulu sama teman sekelompok.
Okay. Okay, Silvan, two teenagers who have argument or opinions about smoking. Good. Salwa Zahira, the video about the pro and cons of some of the problems that teenagers usually experience, yes. There are two teenagers who issued their personal opinion about problems among teenagers. Good. Good, Naila. Okay. Where is another opinion? Please share your opinion here. What do you see or what do you observe from the video? Shifa Nurul Maula, difference of opinion. Good. Muhammad Fitro, two students arguing about some teenager problem. Jihan, two students have different opinions about smoking. Way to go. Okay. Next slide. Akbar, Salma Fadila, two students who are arguing about cigarette. Good. Everyone is doing good. Akbar, slide kedua please. Next slide. Okay, what are they talking about? Okay, sebagian sudah membicarakan. What are they talking about? Ada nih Salma Fadila arguing about cigarettes. Tadi juga sebagian. Besides cigarette, what are another issue that is being discussed from the video or based on the video? About parenting, Miss. Oh, yes. Good job, Fitra. About parenting. Muhammad Firdaus. Kemudian, Salwa, what did you say? About smoking,
Toxic
mental
friend.
health, and self-healing. Well done. You guys doing a good job. Self-healing, mental health, mental issue. They talk about smoking, parenting. Okay. Next step. Teman-teman, what do you think about mental health? Apa sih mental health itu? Could you please? Smoking, mental health, and self-healing. Okay. What are they talking about? Smoking, mental health, and self-healing. Well done. Next. Next slide, Akbar. Which person have the same thought? Based on the video. Circle. A toxic friend. Right. Desta Agi, smoking, mental health. Okay. Gavin, Miss. Okay. Hamzah, can you share your thought? Which part of Gavin's statement that you agree with? Which part? Tim Haikal di mari. Okay, Haikal. Good. Okay, which person? Good. When it comes to smoking, I agree with Haikal. Haikal, Miss. Rifki Maulana, Haikal. Okay. Okay. Okay, many friends agree with Haikal, some with Gavin. Okay, next slide, Abai. Could you please share the next slide? Gabruk Gavin. Haikal Eceng. Way to go. Slide keempat, Akbar, could you please next slide? Nah, teman-teman, you already know the issue. Isunya sudah tahu tentang smoking, tentang mental health, and then which person that you agree with. You said Haikal and then Gavin. So, let me know, guys. Let me know. Can you say your thought? Saya cenderung ke Haikal. Thank you, Fikri. Which part of statement yang Gavin dan Haikal yang teman-teman tuh setuju? Oke, silahkan dituliskan lagi. Please write it down. Saya cenderung ke Haikal. Oke, Gavin. Gavin. In our opinion, we understand the stress experienced by teenagers like what. However, what Haikal said is true, but it's better for us to reduce. Way to go. Nice opinion, Najatunisa. Salma, what is yours? Stress or the problem are facing, but it's better. Good. Agree too. Naila? Salah, maaf. Gak apa-apa, dear. It's okay. Mistake is learning, ya. Salah itu belajar. If you are in the middle of processing learning, so you do mistake, the mistake is learning. Gavin say with smoking, we have a lot of friends. Okay, who agree with that? Hamzah. Who agree with Hamzah? Yang setuju pernyataan Gavin katanya bahwa when you are start smoking, you'll gain friends. Teman-teman bakal dapetin banyak teman. I agree with the truth about smoking can harm. Yes, smoking katanya bisa rilis depresi. Oh my God. Karena itu, smoking juga bisa jadi self-healing maksudnya. Do you think so, Hamzah? Saya setuju dengan Hamzah. I agree with Haikal. Ya, betul. Siva said, merokok is harm yourself. Definitely. Me agree with Hamzah. Ahmad, you agree with Hamzah, mean you agree with Gavin. Okay. How about school rule? Ini di luar yang presentation ya, teman-teman. How is your opinion when someone is smoking in school area? Please. Smoking is not good for your health. Yes, agree, Fitra. Coba dong saya ditulisin di chatnya. Because smoking adds to the relationship, Azikra, you said like that. I can judge that I can eat. Yes, betul. I can see that minors have smokes. Is that a positive thing? Stress can overcome many things, not just smoking. Okay, I agree with Haikal because smoking will kill you slowly. Okay, teman-teman. Okay, sepertinya semua orang sudah get all the messages from the video. Now I will share some link. Teman-teman silahkan, saya mau share link ya, karena sepertinya semua orang sudah mengerti. Silakan buka word wall-nya. Saya sudah share link word wall ya di Google Classroom. Okay, can we start mengerjakan word wall? Silahkan. Sport is better, good.
Yes.
Ya, kita mulai ngisi spreadsheet-nya ya, teman-teman. Saya sudah kirimkan link untuk word wall. Silakan untuk diisi. Ya. Choose all the correct answers, then you can get into the next number. Kalau teman-teman sudah selesaikan semua jawaban yang benar, nanti dia akan go to the next number. Silakan. Saya akan cek di HP saya siapa yang sudah login ke word wall-nya. Jika sudah selesai, please write your name di chat box ya. Yang sudah selesai mengerjakan word wall, tuliskan namanya di chat box so I can know. Okay, let me know if everyone is done so we can continue to the presentations. Revina and Husna done, Akbar and Fitrah done. Alhamdulillah. Okay, please keep typing on the chat box so I can know who's done and who's not done yet so we can continue to the next presentations. All done. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. Give applause to all of you. Thank you so much. All done doing the word wall. So, how was it? How was it, Silvan? Can I give applause to all of you? Thank you so much for your appreciations. Okay. So, how was it? Is it fun enough? Apakah cukup menggunakan word wall?
It's really fun.
It's really fun.
Okay, is this your first time using word wall?
Yes.
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 And it's quite good to have it, yeah. So Azam, what do you think, Azam? Is it easy or hard enough to feel? Azam. Okay. Who would like to share? Fitra, are you there, Fitra?
Yes, it's so fun.
Alhamdulillah. So is it hard or easy? Is it hard or easy?
Easy, hard, miss.
Medium.
Easy, hard. Quite easy but hard. Okay, let's have to the next slide, Akbar. Okay, guys, please pay attention again to the slide. Okay, as you guys know that kita sudah tahu bahwa what are they talking about the issue. Teman-teman juga sudah tahu jawabannya. It's really nice to have your thoughts, all of you. Kemudian, what is it for? Okay, next questions. What is it for? Buat apa sih Gavin sama Haikal ngomong tuh? What is it for? They keep arguing pro and cons. Haikal give their argument, Gavin give its argument. What is it for? Let me know. Gak usah di chat box, saya mau Salwa. Salwa, what is it for? Open mic please.
To convince.
To convince. To convince who? To convince siapa? Untuk meyakinkan siapa?
Penonton, Miss.
Okay, to convince penonton. Now I ask you, did you convince? Apa kamu teryakinkan dengan those statement?
Yes.
Oke, pelajarannya bisa bersuara. Oke, sekarang saya mau tanya Siva Maula. To discuss some teenagers problem. Banyak yang bisa diambil pelajarannya. Oke, Siva, what is it for? Buat apa sih tujuannya? Mereka itu membicarakan argumennya. Siva, can you help me answer the question?
Persuade.
To persuade. Yes. Oke, betul. Itu juga bisa kita katakan sebagai to persuade. Next, saya mau Jihan. Are you there, Jihan? What is it for? Salwa said it's to convince. Siva Maula said it's to persuade. How about you, Jihan? What is it for? Untuk apa sih? Jihan, are you there? Kalau tidak Jihan, Hamzah. Hamzah, are you there, Hamzah?
Yes, I hear.
Oh, Jihan ada. Oke, Jihan, what is it for?
Ada Ibu.
Iya, say. Kenapa sih
Ibu.
Haikal sama Gavin saling beradu pro dan kontra terkait merokok? Menurutmu, what is it for? Itu tujuannya buat apa?
Sharing opinion.
Sharing opinion. Oke. Yang lain, Firdaus. Muhammad Firdaus, are you there?
I'm here, Miss.
Okay, what is it for, do you think? Menurut kamu mereka ngapain sih? Gavin and Haikal doing so?
Menurut aku mereka tuh kayak bertukar pikiran untuk mendapatkan saling menghargai lah, Miss, antara perbedaan gitu.
Okay, you have the moral value also. Jadi even though we are different in some issue, meskipun kita berbeda in some issue, but it doesn't make us become a separate, ya, tidak jadi gontok-gontokan. Next, what will they get? Apa yang akan didapatkan sih oleh Gavin dan Haikal kalau mereka melakukan itu? You may tulis di chat box atau langsung ngomong, boleh. Akbar, what will they get?
Lung disease.
Oh no, I mean, what will the narasumber get when they are giving their argument about some issue? Manfaatnya apa untuk si narasumber? Mereka mengatakan their opinion or their argument about issue smoking, about issue mental health gitu. Nih kan kalau kata Silvan tadi bisa diambil pelajarannya, oke. Nah selain itu apa? Apa yang didapatkan si pembicara dengan dia mengutarakan isi pikirannya? Help me answer the questions. Fitra, do you want to answer? Oh, Azam raise hand. Oke, Azam. Apa pendapatmu, Azam? Akan merusak paru-paru. Dapat hikmahnya. Oke, Dapat hikmah. Selain dapat hikmah maksud saya. Azam, okay, you raising hand. Do you think what will, apa mereka akan banyak follower?
Point of view.
Yes? Apa Zam?
Nah, that view. Apa? Huh? Yeah. Another point of view,
Oh,
not our
okay.
just point of view.
Yes, nice answer. When we are sharing
Not-
opinion, kita bakal
Not just our.
Yes. Tujuan kita meyakinkan orang itu biar orang setuju sama kita atau biar orang nggak setuju sama kita sih? What do you think? Maksud saya tuh begitu. When you are talk about some issue and then you have your reason kenapa sih merokok merusak paru-paru. Yang kamu inginkan itu apa? Atau yang akan kamu dapatkan itu apa? Apa jadi dapat follower Instagram lebih banyak? Apa? Irham. Masih yang tadi A Akbar. Slide-nya.
Ya, Miss.
Irham, okay. What will the speaker get? What will the speaker get when they are sharing the opinions or the reasons about the issue? Will they get a lot of followers on Instagram or what will they get? Mereka dapat apa? Apakah dapat duit kah? Menurut kamu ketika mereka melakukan itu, apakah mereka dapat follower kah? What is it? Ham.
Mungkin bakalan mendapatkan fakta yang baru tentang isu yang mereka katakan.
Oke, itu berarti untuk merekanya sendiri. Kalau untuk penonton apa? Untuk kita yang nonton kita dapat apa? Selain dapat hikmahnya.
Bisa tahu opini mereka itu apa.
Oke, thank you so much. Oke, next A Akbar. Saya mau selanjutnya, slide selanjutnya. Oke, teman-teman, what we learn so far itu adalah if we are going to write something or we are going to create something like those seperti yang dilakukan Gavin dan Haikal, itu adalah kita menggunakan analytical expositions. So, analytical expositions juga can be called as persuasive text atau argumentative text. Ya, jadi kan tadi ada yang bilang, jadi analytical text itu apa, suara saya jelas?
Ya, Bu.
Jelas, Miss.
Oke, saya takutnya tidak jelas. Jadi kayak gitu. Oke, selanjutnya Akbar yang definisinya. Oke, saya mau one of you read. Naila, can you please read the definitions of analytical expositions? Naila, silakan baca, Nay.
Definition: a form of essay or argumentative text designed to persuade the reader of listener that something is the case, good, bad, necessary, harmful, beneficial,
etc. Oke, jadi ketika saya tadi nanya, what is it for? Untuk apa sih Gavin sama Haikal do those discussions gitu ya, pro and cons discussions? Ya ini untuk ini, jadi untuk nge-persuade pembaca atau pendengar bahwa yang dibicarakan itu adalah hal yang penting, hal yang bagus untuk didiskusikan, hal yang bisa saja membahayakan. Ya, itu adalah what is it for? Ngapain Gavin and Haikal doing so? Next slide, A Akbar. Oke, yang berikutnya. Nah, ini to convince or persuade. Jadi convince itu meyakinkan, persuade itu artinya juga meyakinkan atau mengajak ya. Kemudian pembicaranya juga melakukan analisa terhadap topiknya. Jadi kayak memberikan saran apa alasan-alasan atau argumen itu kita sebut sebagai analisa ya. Jadi when you are stating something dan reasoning, nah itu berarti you are doing analyzing. And opinion is correct by developing an argument. Jadi if you want to say something tentang suatu isu, you have to add the reasoning. Ya, oke, next slide. Oh, tunggu, belum. Saya mau Hamzah bisa baca yang tadi, yang what is it? Yang to convince and persuade, Hamzah? Hamzah, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
Ya, bisa tolong dibaca Hamzah. What is it for?
What is it for? To convince, persuade the reader or listener and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion is correct by developing an argument to support it. That's something in the case.
Oke. Saya tanya nih, tadi supportive opininya apa yang mendukung pernyataan? Kenapa Gavin merokok? Karena merokok itu, dia bilang merokok itu bisa menjaring teman, bisa ngerilis stres. Kemudian Haikal berkata nggak boleh merokok karena katanya merokok merusak kesehatan. Terus cara menjaring teman nggak harus lewat rokok. Oke, struktur teksnya nih. Saya mau dibacakan oleh Firdaus. Silakan Firdaus. Can you read the text for me?
Of 3 parts thesis, which indicates the topic and ends with reasoning or proof of the statement, argument, which lists reason, facts, or statistic, or provide example.
Yes.
Reiteration, which restates the thesis statement or draws a conclusion based on the argument.
Ya, kayak gitu ya. Jadi tesisnya tadi first generalnya is about the smoking issue, kemudian argumentnya, dan yang terakhir ada convincing others. Next slide, A. Akbar. Selanjutnya, A. Akbar, slide selanjutnya. Nah, ini language features-nya, teman-teman. This is the language features. When we are going to create analytical expositions, we just have to need 3 things. Cuma 3 aja. Ya, yang pertama itu adalah simple present. Yang kedua connective words. As you see, ada and, ada moreover, ada in additions. Kayak tadi misalnya, smoking can help you release the stress and having friends. Kayak gitu kan? Atau smoking can dangerous yourself and broke atau damaging the lung, merusak paru-paru. Itu adalah connective words. Frasenya tadi di akhirnya, conclusion, something like itu. Okay, next slide, A. Akbar. A. Akbar, next slide, please. Nah, ini ya, another example. Contoh lain dari analytical expositions. Ini tesisnya, judulnya car should be banned in the city. Kayaknya mobil-mobil harus di ban atau tidak boleh berada di kota. Kayaknya ini tesisnya yang pertama yang warna biru, car should be banned. Argumennya kita gunakan first, second, and then third. Dan reiterationnya kita pakai in conclusion. Something like this. Ya, oke. Sejauh ini, so far, do I make myself clear? Do you guys understand the material so far? Hello? Hello, are you there?
Understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Any question sejauh ini? Ada pertanyaan? Firdaus, any questions?
Bu mau nanya,
Ya.
kalau menurut Ibu, misalnya ada yang orang emang
Ya.
keras kepala gitu Bu sama opininya teh, kalau misalnya
Di mute. Firdaus, mic-nya di mute. Oke, kita kehilangan Firdaus, gak apa-apa. Next slide, Akbar.
itu kan gimana kalau misalnya si orang yang saling bertukar pikiran ini teh malah
dengan
ya. Tadi saya mau nanya Bu,
boleh.
gimana kalau misalnya jadi kan itu teh proses saling bertukar pikiran lah ya Ibu.
Yes.
Tapi gimana kalau misalnya si salah satu orang dari mereka tuh malah memaksakan argumen mereka ke orang lain gitu. Jadi kalau misalnya A ya harus A semuanya gitu Bu. Gimana Bu?
Oh, this is not the way it play, ya. This is not the way it works. Jadi if we are going to deliver some explanations, analytical expositions, we are not debating. Kita bukan debat, gitu ya. This is not a debate. This is only presenting our argument. If you are going to push your opinion to others, so this is not correct. Jadi kalau untuk analytical expositions, how we convince orang lain, gimana kita mengconvince orang lain, tapi tidak memaksa. This is how it works. Ya. Jadi analytical expositions itu kita meyakinkan orang lain tentang apa yang kita yakini berdasarkan fakta-fakta yang bisa diterima oleh orang lain. Jika dia memaksa, ya, berarti itu tidak bekerja. It's not going to work. Bukan di sini, tapi materinya debat. Nanti ada lagi, different material. Nah, ini adalah eksposisi. Di materi sini, kamu tidak memaksa orang lain untuk setuju sama kamu secara langsung, tetapi you are delivering arguments, reasonable argument, disertai fact, dengan harapan ya, dengan harapan people will agree with you. Atau will prove your opinion. Kayak gitu aja. Kalau untuk exposition, cara kerjanya begitu. Ya, Firdaus? Is it enough? Cukup?
Cukup Ibu.
Oke, thank you. A Akbar?
Bisa dimengerti.
Alhamdulillah. Next slide, A Akbar. Oke, teman-teman, our project. Oke, karena saya from the A to Z, tadi kita udah discussing a lot about the video, and now it's your turn. Sekarang adalah tugasnya teman-teman. Nah, please work in your group. Silakan kerja dalam grupnya masing-masing untuk membuat video yang seperti video yang saya kirimkan di Google Classrooms. And then you guys choose the topic. Ya, silakan pilih temanya. Temanya ada 5. Why books are important for us? Why we have to save money? Why is it important to keep our environment? Why we have to stay away or avoid toxic friends? Dan yang terakhir, why students should stop cheating? Jadi teman-teman silakan work in group, and then try to discuss about the topic for the next week. Ya, jadi this is the topic for the next week. Teman-teman silakan buat videonya. Dan I would like to have the script ya, ada draftnya dulu ke saya, so I can check the grammar or the, for example, mistaken words, something like that. Ya, and then next week we are going to present. Any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Ada pertanyaan?
Miss, untuk kelompoknya gimana ya?
Oh, kelompoknya sudah dibagikan di Google Classroom kan ya? dan tolong kirimkan draft skenario ke saya sebelum presentasi. Oke? Silakan Asilvan, please pray before we end the class. Silakan tutup dengan doa dulu, silakan.
Berdoa aja. Istiadan. Doaan. Ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa aman.
Oke, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much for all. Silakan, you may leave the meeting. Silakan boleh meninggalkan kelasnya. Thank you, sampai bertemu minggu depan. Assalamualaikum.